You can erase all your QuickBooks Online company data and start over if you need to. How? Just depends on how long you've had your subscription. If you've had your subscription for more than 60 days, then cancel your subscription. Select Settings and then Subscriptions and Billing. In the QuickBooks box, select Cancel. Confirm by selecting Continue to Cancel. That's it. Just sign up for a new account and start over. QuickBooks will hold on to your old data for up to a year. If your subscription is less than 60 days, then edit the URL and replace Homepage with Purge Company and hit Enter. This will delete all your data, so make sure that's what you want to do. Once you're ready, type Yes in the box and select OK. You'll get a confirmation message from QuickBooks, and then you can start entering your new company data. If you run into issues doing this, try the steps again in incognito mode. Now you know how to enter new company data in QuickBooks.